Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It's around 6 in the evening in the UK, and come we go for a walk. It's an evening walk. I like going for my walks at this time. To be fair, it's been it's been recorded one of the hottest day this year in the UK. So around this time is the best time because the sun has gone down, so it's the best time to take a walk. Yeah, this helps me in clearing my thoughts. I also feel energetic after it. I like walking around here because of how green it is. It's very calming. Yeah, it calms you down. Yeah, walks have a lot of benefits. I'm not a exercise person, so walks do for me. And at the end of the day, it's all about the mental state. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what you do, just move around, walk, run. As long as you're moving, that's what matters. Yeah, this is how it looks. You can tell summer is here. The leaves are green. Can you hear the birds? I can see the insects around. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. By the time I get home, this will do some good to my body. Yeah, today was very hot. Actually, I was running away. From the sun. Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed my little walk. I will continue. And remember, keep moving. Let's keep moving. This helps our mental state. Yeah, it's not about fitness, it's not about losing weight, but our mental state. Mostly at this time that we have lockdowns, curfews around the world, so you find yourself mostly at home. And we might tend to relax, but let's keep moving. Thank you.